A multiple answer question is similar to a multiple choice question, but it requires students to identify multiple correct answers for a given question. These questions are a great way for students to show that they fully understand the conditions under which a situation may be true. These types of questions also require students to consider all of the answer choices instead of finding just one answer choice before moving on. To create a multiple answer question, click the blue plus sign and choose Multiple Answer from the Insert Content menu. Building the question is very similar to the multiple choice question. The question title field is optional and does not appear for students. The question stem text box allows teachers to include multimedia or text formatting to require students to consider information in a variety of formats when answering the question. A best practice to consider when writing a multiple answer question is to bold text that identifies students are expected to choose multiple answers for this question to avoid confusion when compared to a multiple choice question where only one correct answer is present. To identify the correct answer choices, click the check boxes next to the correct answers. The grading options for multiple answer questions can require students to get an exact match, meaning they must correctly identify all the boxes that should be checked and all of the boxes that should be unchecked. The other option for grading multiple answer questions is the partial credit with penalty option. This option awards points for the student choosing a correct answer, but deducts points if the student chooses an incorrect answer. For example, if there are 2 correct answers and the student chooses both correct answers and 1 incorrect answer, they would receive half credit. If there are 2 correct answers and they choose all 4 answer choices, they would receive no credit as the number of incorrect answers matches the number of correct answers. It's a good idea to test this scoring method using the preview option before using it with students to ensure that it's behaving the way teachers expect it to work. Once the question stem and answer choices have been created, click the Done button to save the question.